Good popcorn starts with a well-run machine. When equipment isn't used or cleaned properly, problems show up fast. Burnt popcorn, inconsistent batches, and avoidable downtime. The fix isn't complicated, it's about knowing the machine and using it the right way. Let's start with the basics. Every popcorn machine has a few key parts: the kettle, heat lamps or warmer deck, a stir motor, a dump handle, and control switches. Now let's talk operation. Always turn on the kettle heat and stir motor before loading oil and kernels. Keep hands and tools clear of hot surfaces, and never use water inside or near the kettle. When it's time to shut down, order matters. Turn off the heat first, let the kettle cool, then shut off the stir motor and warmer deck. That simple sequence helps protect the kettle and electrical components. Cleaning is just as important. Once the kettle cools, wipe the exterior with a warm, damp towel. Clean the interior using an improved kettle cleaner. Clean glass panels with food-safe glass cleaner. And remove and wash crumb trays, doors, and accessories. What you don't want is buildup. Oil residue leads to burnt flavors, carbon buildup reduces heat efficiency, and dirty equipment wears out fast. On top of daily cleaning, plan for deeper maintenance. On a weekly basis, run a full kettle cleaning cycle. On a monthly basis, check wiring, switches, and stir motor function. And remember to replace worn gaskets, bulbs, and trays as needed. Use the machine safely, clean it consistently, and you'll protect your equipment, avoid downtime, and keep popcorn tasting fresh batch after batch.